Hello dear students, welcome to the video of Mathematics Class 4 Chapter 5 The Way the World Looks. Gappu's Air Journey. Gappu was a brave little mouse. One day, he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. The balloon went off and touched the roof. Gappu was thrilled. He got an idea. Next day, when the children went to school, Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. He could see the blades of the fan from above. Oh, there is so much dirt on these blades. From below, they look so clean. Draw how the fan looks from below. Gappu looked down. He could see the bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and the other table with a bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. Look for these things in the photo. One chair is present on the left side of the bed. The other chair is present on the left side of the big table. The small table is kept in front of the chair. That is kept beside the bed. The books are kept on the small table. A bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. are kept on the big table. That stupid Chinky is looking for cheese. Can't even see it is kept on the top of the jug. Can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug but Chinky could not? Gappu was seeing the things from the above, so he could easily see the cheese placed on the top of the jug. On the other hand, Chinky was running on the floor, so she could not see the cheese. Just then, a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. The balloon flew off and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house. When I ran around in my house, it looked so big, but from here it looks small. How is that? The objects look smaller from a distance. So Gappu was looking at the things from higher in the air. Hence, the objects looked smaller. As he went higher, he could see things around his house. The park, the Gurudwara, the railway line, a sweet shop, and Suhasini's house with the big water tank on its roof. Who is that on the railway track? Is it that fat cat Monty? Ha ha ha! From here, it looks like a big white mouse. This must be the Gurudwara, where Amarjit goes every day. I did not know there is a sweet shop here. Yummy! Imagine how your classroom looks from above. Try to draw it and mark the benches, blackboard, doors, windows, etc. This is the top view of a classroom. The balloon went up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. Now he could see lots of houses, streets, roads, and buses. There are cars and buses look so small from here, just like toys, and people look like ants. Wow, is that the train looking like a long box from here? Suddenly, there was a loud sound. Phat! The balloon burst and started falling down, and everything started looking bigger and bigger. Gappu fell on the railway track. He ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, who ran after Gappu and the other rats on the railway track. When Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looked like this. But when he fell on the track, the railway line looked like this. Oh, things look so different when you look at them from the top and from the side. Look at these pictures and discuss why things look wide and big at this end but narrow and small at the other. The side which is nearer to us looks wider and which is farther to us looks narrow and smaller. Things look different when we look at them from different views and distances. Match two views of the same pose. This is a top view of a girl in a yoga pose. Only one of the photos below is the correct match of the same yoga pose. Mark it. We see that the girl in the figure is stretching her right arm in the yoga pose, and the first photo among the given photos matches with that yoga pose. Therefore, the first photo is the correct match. There are two different views of the same balls. 1, 2. In which photo are the balls upside down? Look at the side view in photo 3 to find the answer. The balls are upside down in the second photo. Draw lines to match the side view with the top view of a pipe, a funnel. Let us see the answer. Side view, top view of a pipe, side view and top view of a funnel. Try to draw pictures of a shoe from the side, top and front view. Let us draw the picture of a shoe. Draw like this. Put lines. Draw this portion. This is the side view of a shoe. Let us draw another view. Now join the lines like this from this side also. This is the top view of a shoe. Now the third one. Draw like this. Join the line. Make this shape. Join these lines. This is the front view of a shoe. The park behind Gappu's house. Here is a bigger picture of the park. Look at it carefully and answer the questions. A. Mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. A, B, C, D. This is the sweet shop. So, the gate nearest is gate A. Answer is gate A is nearest to the sweet shop. B. Which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? This is gate C. And right hand side there is Gappu's house. Gate C is nearest to Gappu's house. If you enter from gate B, the green bench will be to your left, right or front. This is green bench. Enter from gate B. From this side we can see on our left there is the green bench. So if we enter from gate B, then the green bench will be to our left. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? Let us enter from gate D. We will see this is our right hand side. So if we enter the park from gate D, then the flower bed will be to our right side. So Suhasini entered the park from gate D. Which of these is nearest to you? If you enter from gate C, basketball court, flower bed, green bench, seesaw. This is gate C. Let us enter from gate C. We can see basketball court here. Then where is flower bed? This side, flower bed. This is the green bench, and this is the picture of seesaw. So if we enter from gate C, seesaw will be nearest to us. Therefore, the correct answer is option 4. Ismail's house. On the phone, Ismail told Srijata the route to his house from our house. The route map is shown here. This is what Ismail told Srijata. From your house, reach the milk booth and then take a left turn. From the second crossing, take a right turn and go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first right turn. Right turn? Did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? Yes. Ismail went wrong when he told Srijata to take a right turn after crossing the bridge. So, where Srijata will reach if she takes the route he told her? Srijata would reach opposite to Ismail's house if she takes the route told by Ismail. Write the directions for going from Ismail's house to Srijata's house. From Ismail's house, go straight and then take the first right turn. After crossing the bridge, take first left turn. Go straight and then take a right turn from the second crossing after reaching the milk booth. After about 100 meters, you will reach Srijata's house. Givli and the big box. One day, Givli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. Givli moved across and turned left. Now, she could see the other face of the big box. Givli was confused. What was this box? She climbed on a curve and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. The numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. Can you guess what that box-like thing was? The box was a dice. B. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Since the number on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7, the number opposite of 5 is 2. In this picture, which number will be at the bottom? We can see that the number on the top is 1. So, the number on the bottom will be 6. Which number will Givli see if she again turns left from 5? If Givli turns left from 5, she would see the number 3. E. What will this box look like if you opened it up? Mark the correct picture. If the box is opened, the box looks like the figure given in A. Thank you.